This is Joe with Drones Done Right. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be sharing my thoughts and opinions on a DJI Mini 3 Pro. I've had this drone for a couple of months now, and I have to say it is a wonderful little drone. It weighs in under 250 grams with the standard battery, which has a flight time of 34 minutes. And you can get the plus size battery, but that will put you over the 250 grams, which will require you to register it with the FAA. Which I believe it's worth it because you'll be getting a flight time of 47 minutes. Just keep in mind that this is DJI's testing in a closed lab environment. In the real world, you'll be getting less than what they have spec'd on the batteries. Whereas in the standard batteries, I've been seeing around 26 to 30 minutes. With the plus size batteries, I've been getting between 30 to 35 minutes. The camera on this drone is a 1/1.3 inch CMOS sensor. It's an effective pixels of 48 megapixels. The lens is 82.1 degrees, equivalent to a 24 millimeter. The aperture is a fixed aperture at f1.7. The ISO range is between 100 to 6400. The shutter speed is from 2 to 1/8000. Max image size you can get on this drone is 8064 by 6048. The video resolutions, it supports 4K up to 60 frames per second, 2.7K up to 60 frames per second, 1080p up to 60 frames per second, and has a slow motion option which you can shoot in 1080p at 120 frames per second. It supports HDR in both photo and video. The video format is MP4/MOV. The drone supports both quick shots, master shots, and hyperlapse. We'll go through those in a separate video. Color profiles are normal and DCine-like. The normal profile is what DJI thinks the best setting is, while DCine-like is a flat 10-bit profile, not as flat as log, but you can have more ability to color grade it in post. The drone has tri-directional obstacle avoidance. It has downward facing sensors, forward and backwards. Just keep in mind when you do have the drone in sports mode or in low light environments, these functions will be disabled by default. There are two modes, bypass and brake. I will go over what these two modes do in a separate video. The photography of this drone has several modes. Single shot at 12 megapixel, 48 megapixel, which shoots 48 megapixels photos. Burst shooting at 12 megapixels, where you can burst shoot in 3, 5, or 7 frames. Time shoots at 12 megapixels. You can start from time shoot from 2 seconds all the way up to 60 seconds. Automatic exposure bracketing, or AEB, which basically would take 3 photos. One is overexposed, underexposed, and normal exposure, and then you can put them together to get like a HDR effect on your photos. A panorama, which supports sphere, 180 degrees, wide angle, or vertical. And HDR, the single shot mode, supports outputting HDMR images. The max speed of the aircraft is up to 36 miles per hour. Max wind resistance is up to 24 miles per hour. The max ascent and descent speeds is 5 meters a second or 11 miles per hour approximately. For those that are looking to buy this drone for their commercial business or non-profit business within the United States, just so you know, you'll still need to register the drone even if it's under 250 grams. due to Part 107 requirements. In conclusion, this is a great drone which you can get for under $1,000 with the RC controller with a built-in screen. And I will go over all the modes in a separate and upcoming videos. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to give it a like. If you didn't enjoy it, go ahead and give it a dislike. If you did like this video, just please consider subscribing and sharing amongst your friends. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.